Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Crew Revit tutorial. So in this session, we are going to finish our piping here. Okay, let's see what we have remained here. We just remain some floor trap. Okay, we need to add in our floor trap. Then of course, we miss our floor trap here. They were supposed to have a floor trap over here also for this bath area. Okay. Then let's find what we have here in our system component here. Okay, we have our floor trap, and then we have our floor trap cover. Just click on this here. We have floor trap cover. Okay, so we are using the top access type of floor trap. Let's check it out. This is the top access type of floor trap. And then it should be concealed inside the slab here. Then with the floor trap cover, flushing with the finishing here. Then of course you need to extend your pipe to connect with your cover here. Okay, so that's your floor trap basically. We have 4 sides of connection. Let's see what we have here. We have 4 sides of connection. It's the top access type, so we can connect our basin pipe here or our drain pipe, aircon drain pipe over here. Okay, so let's go back to this level here. Let's place our floor trap on the correct position. Let's see, let's say this one here. Okay, number 1 here. Then the second one should be in somewhere here. Okay, we have 2 floor traps in total. If it's too close to the stack, let's say I want to change it to, okay, I want to relocate my stacks here. Okay, so we can go to here, nearer. And of course, the one pipe we need to go to here inside a bit. So we have much more free space to connect our floor trap over here. Okay, our cover, just locate this one to here, and then just use the copy function to copy another cover to here. So let's go to here to have a look. Okay, we have this one. Let's connect our piping to our floor trap. Okay, just connect it to here like this. Okay, then the second one, I need to go to here to draw a pipe. Make sure you have a UPVC piping. UPVC pipe 80 mm, connect to here. Okay, let's let it be center. Okay, go to view, try to connect it. Then of course you need to model your pipe in slope down position. Okay, then you need to match with the level of this main pipe over here. Okay, then go to level 1 here. You just click on the plus sign of the elbow to upgrade it to become a T, and you draw your pipe over here. Then you align it to here. Then you try to connect it back to here. Okay, if you cannot connect, then you need to go to your section view to align it. So this is your pipe. Of course, you need to try to connect it to here. Maybe you need to lower down. Connect it to here. Okay, maybe I want to draw another pipe here. Let's say 80 mm. Draw it out to here. Slope off. Okay, that's what we have. Oh, this is not the reducing T, so it will look weird. Okay, so we try to use reducing T. Then we change this to 80 mm. Then we have this, then we connect it. Move it to slightly beside, then we try to connect it now. You need to try a few times to make sure it can be connected. Let's say a slope off. Then I align this one to here. This time I can connect. If you don't have enough space, then you need to move further to have enough space for you to connect. Okay. Then try to draw a pipe, connect. Okay, then you move it back. Okay, then done. Then next is your vent pipe. Create similar. Draw a vent pipe to here. Okay, always make sure that you're using reducing T, okay? Okay, this one. We use reducing sanitary T. Then, okay. Then just draw. Okay, now reducing T is formed. Then you connect back your vent pipe to here, to the main. Okay, that's how we complete the remaining piping here. Then the rest is of course you need to draw your aircon. Okay, the next video we will continue to draw our aircon. Okay, if you're not clear how to model this floor trap, you can actually go to this edit type here. Okay, then it's just a simple extrusion like this, and then with the 4 extrusion at the sides, and then you place in your connectors. Then all these are the connectors. Then the top connectors, bottom connectors. Okay. So if you want to change it to 80 mm, you can change back to 80 mm. Okay. Then you load it back to here. Let's see what happened. Okay, 80 mm pipe. Now, okay, for this floor trap cover is different with the floor trap. Okay, you can just go to edit family to have a look how it looks like. This is extrusion. You can create extrusion over here. You just need to model the square, and then you can draw your own pattern here. Then you complete your extrusion. The next thing is the floor trap tray. Then you just a simple extrusion also. Then the bottom tray is also extrusion with a hole in the middle. Then the necking, the point that we connect to the pipe, is also an extrusion here. Okay, so with a few extrusion joined together, you can form your floor trap cover. Okay, then that's how you complete your sanitary piping here. So next session, we're going to go into the modeling of the aircon indoor units, and then the outdoor units, of course, will be completed with all the copper piping and then a drain pipe that's supposed to be connected to here. Okay, then of course we are also missing one floor trap here. There's supposed to be have one floor trap here for the yard area. Okay, you can go to here to copy one set of floor trap. Just copy everything here, then you just place to here to act as your floor trap. Then the rest of the thing you need to do is just draw your pipe swooping downwards and then connect it back to this main pipe over here. Okay, then you go up. Okay, you can try to have a look. Can we connect it? Just double check the level here. Okay, this is the level. Looks like we need to raise up more. Just draw a simple line over here, then you know that you roughly need to raise up how much. Okay, just about here. Then you go to the layout plan to try to connect it. Okay, that's how we connect it. Then go to the view. If you see link, you can see the weird connection point, you just delete it. Then you try to draw your pipe, slope up 1%. Then you try to align it to here. Then you finish your connection over here. Okay, to eliminate that unnecessary fittings. Okay, so the vent pipe, of course, you need to just click on plus sign, then you draw your vent pipe, complete it to connect it back to this okay, just click on delete this, then you just draw pipe here, then you draw pipe like this. Okay, that's finished the connection back to the main stacks here. Okay, we have a floor trap now. Then the rest of the thing that you need to do is the aircon and the aircon piping. Okay, then that we will capture in next session. Okay, so I think that's all for this session. Let's look at the 3D view. So this is a 3D view in the floor trap. Okay, if you are missing this pipe, then you just draw your pipe, go up. Okay, draw your pipe, go up. Okay, go to view, extend your pipe to here, level 1 here. Okay, that's all your piping. Of course, then this one. Draw pipe, connect it to here. Okay, you can see that you're actually below the concrete level. Okay, then you need to move it up to sit inside the concrete and extend the pipe to go to here to complete the piping. Then the spout pipe for the washing machine, flexible hose to be put inside here. Then go to the 3D view. Then everything's are complete now. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.